The howling winds didn't just rip apart the walls of our house, they tore through the life we once knew. Standing in the aftermath, surrounded by scattered memories and broken dreams, I felt the weight of despair pressing down. But as I looked around, I saw my family huddled together, their eyes not focused on the ruins but on each other, filled with hope and determination. It struck me then that our true home was not lost, it was right here, in the unwavering love and resilience we shared. Brick by brick, we began rebuilding, not just a house, but a renewed life, each obstacle met with laughter, each setback a lesson in strength. In the face of nature's fury, we discovered a truth as sturdy as any foundation: a family's strength isn't measured by the walls that surround it, but by the love that holds it together. As we move forward, we carry this lesson in our hearts, knowing that no storm can ever truly take away what matters most.